Let's quickly take a look at the way that you create a vault for savings on Revolut. If you're trying to create a separate savings account for anything that you might need in the future, in today's video, let me show you the steps. Now from the homepage of your Vault app, you'll be able to see the option called Vault on the top of the screen. If you don't see it, you can just scroll through and tap on the Vault option on the top. Once you do that, you can now create two different types of vaults. Either it's a personal vault where you can put aside money, or you can also create a group vaults, which could be useful for paying bills or going on holidays. So select the vault that you want. The next step here is to name the vault that you're trying to create. So that is easier for you to remember. So just type in the name of this particular vault. Once that step is complete, you'll need to select the total amount that you're trying to add in to this vault. So for example, if you add in 10 euros or $10, you can repeat this automatically each month or each week by typing on the deadline option right here. This way the calendar will open up so you can add in the deadline for this particular goal. Just tap on OK and your vault now has been created. As I said earlier, you can add in recurring payments or recurring transfer from your Revolut account balance to this vault account. Make sure that recurring transfer is enabled on the bottom of the page. You can also change in the amount such as 10 or 20 depending upon your needs. So that's the way that you create a vault for savings on Revolut. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.